Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you a software that helps you to Hotline and comment to any bot you want on Facebook using page. So this is my software that I use. First we have account management. This will help you add and manage multiple Facebook account. And this software will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook pages. And you can use this page interact with any poster or video that you want. To do that, we will go to settings. Setting function, it means you interact with any bot offline and comment, review, prepare, and we will go to content management. Add your content by press add article and you will select category already add. You can choose a type, comment, texting, seating, or whatever type that you want. After you add content, we will do seating function. First, we will select account that has page to use page to go comment and see comment and like. Next, in general configuration, the distance between sitting time I will set 10 seconds. Configuration, we can choose according to content available or using AI. I will choose according to content available. I will choose content I already add in content management. If you just choose one ID or one content you already add, you should choose allow content within account. Configuration, when setting, you can choose a type setting by profile, setting by article, setting by video, setting live stream, or setting group. I will choose setting article. Next, I will add the ID of this article. Say I have the post and I will make this link, change it to this UID and copy it, and I will paste this UID in my software. Next, I can choose the emotion that I want to setting my post. Now, after everything set up, I will press begin. You can see the process to start software working here. You can see that I have the comment here in the layer script. So basically, I just show you a software that helps you how to line and comment to any Facebook post by using page. If you need more information, please contact like Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pin down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Front 2 channel.